Good morning, students. In last class, we studied about the source of know about the interior part of the earth, direct source and indirect source. In these sources, here we discuss about the earthquake. We discuss about the earthquake. First of all, what is earthquake? The vibration of the earth, the shaking of the earth is called the earthquake. What is earthquake? The vibration of the earth and shaking of the earth, also called vibration of the earth. Then earthquake and shaking of the earth, also called earthquake. The shaking of the earth is also called earthquake and vibration of the earth is called earthquake. यानी कि जब भी क्या होता है, the surface vibrate and the surface या the shaking, that is the earthquake. हम क्या मानेंगे? That is the earthquake. Then surface is shaking, surface vibrate, then it is the event is earthquake. Clear? And the type of the earthquake, various reasons, various causes for the origin of the earthquake. And here what was the here main reasons? Yeah, simply we can say what the process about the earthquake. Then here the cracks, and these cracks here the then cracks increase, then here the fault is, and the many here the rocks rocks under the earth, that is we consider that is crust. We can upper part of the earth crust, and here the many rocks here. Then these rocks are these rocks are stable the earth. Then here the shaking the rocks internal part of the earth. Then the crust also move, the crust also vibrate. The what many reasons for these rocks are one rocks these rocks are separate there. यानी कि क्या हो रहा है ना, ये जो rocks है क्या, this rocks the direction is this and the opposite direction. These rocks are go in the opposite direction, and the what is result here? The result, what is result here? The result earthquake, yeah, vibration of the earth and the shaking of the earth. And here what release here the energy from the fault, release here the energy from the fault. And where the main point, where the point where start here the energy जहां से निकलती है, this point is called the focus hypocenter. उसे क्या बोलेंगे? फोकस हाइपोसेंटर. जहां से एनर्जी स्टार्ट हो रही है, जो वेव जो है निकलना स्टार्ट हो रही है, दिस पॉइंट इज नोन एज ए फोकस हाइपोसेंटर. यानी जहां से भूकंप अर्थक्वेक स्टार्ट हो रहा है, दिस पॉइंट इज नोन एज फोकस और हाइपोसेंटर. एंड मैनी हियर द वेव्स origin from this focus, and the shortest, yeah, first of all the earthquake waves reach on 90-degree angle, the place on 90-degree angle, this place is called the epicenter. सबसे पहले जहां पे क्रस्ट पर, ठीक है, क्या हो रहा है, जो सिस्मिक वेव जहां पे पहुंच रही है ना, अर्थक्वेक वेव्स, और वो जो 90 डिग्री एंगल पहुंच रहे हैं, दिस पॉइंट इज नोन एज एपीसेंटर. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जहां से भूकंप या अर्थक्वेक वेव्स निकल रही है, दैट इज कॉल्ड हाइपोसेंटर, और जहां पे पहुंच रही है, इट इज कॉल्ड द एपीसेंटर. जहां से उत्पन्न हो रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड हियर द ओरिजिन, दैट इज दिस पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड हाइपोसेंटर. और फर्स्टली जहां पे रीच हो रही है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द एपीसेंटर. हियर द फोकस एंड द many waves like here many waves here the L waves, S waves. Clear? And these waves are their shortest distance on the 90-degree angle, and this point is known epicenter. The lithosphere. What is lithosphere? The maximum earthquake happened on lithosphere, and the crust upper part, the crust mantle and the crowd, many layers in the internal part of that, and the upper part crust approx upper part to approx 200 किलोमीटर. दिस पार्ट इज नोन एज लिथोस्फीयर. ठीक है, जो अपर पार्ट है सरफेस का, वहां से 200 किलोमीटर तक का जो पार्ट है, वी कैन से दैट इज द लिथोस्फीयर. एंड द मेनली द अर्थक्वेक आर हैपेंड ऑन द लिथोस्फीयर. इन अर्थक्वेक आर नॉट इवन हैपेंड इन हाइड्रोस्फीयर, मोस्टली इन लिथोस्फीयर. क्लियर? एंड what is here the record on all these seismic wave, all these earthquake waves record on seismograph. सिस्मोग्राफ, ठीक है। जो अर्थक्वेक वेव्स है, सिस्मिक वेव्स है, उसे रिकॉर्ड कहाँ पे किया जाता है? दिस इज अ सिस्मोग्राफ। सिस्मोग्राफ पर क्या किया जाएगा? सिस्मोग्राफ इज record on seismograph. The earthquake waves record on seismograph. Clear? The instrument here, the seismograph, where seismic waves या earthquake waves record. And earthquake waves like these earthquake waves also can be divided in two parts: body waves and the surface waves. Body waves and the surface waves. Body waves also divided in the two part: P waves and the S waves. What is body waves? All these waves are origin and the inner part of the earth. ठीक है, inner part of the earth से मीन क्या हुआ? ये जो अर्थ का क्रस्ट का जो अपर पार्ट है, ठीक है, इसके लोअर साइड में, इन साइड में, ठीक है, इन साइड में जहां पे ये वेव्स निकल रही है ना, दिस पार्ट इज या दीज वेव्स आर कॉल्ड द बड़ी वेव्स, ठीक है। जो क्रस्ट के अंदर वाले पार्ट में, इंटीरियर पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ, हियर द वेव्स, origin of the waves, these waves are known as the body waves. First here the P waves, second here the S waves. P waves also called the primary waves. Firstly here happen P waves, and these waves are the sound waves, like the sound waves. The sound waves, P waves are like sound waves. P waves called the primary waves, and these waves have heavy speed, approximately the 7 to 8 km per second. The highest speed of the waves is P waves, 7 to 8 km per second. Clear? And these P waves travel through solid, liquid and gaseous. All these here the material, solid, liquid and gaseous. The P waves travel through solid, liquid and gaseous material. And the S waves are called the secondary waves, and these waves are only passed from the solid. Clear? Not in the liquid. S waves liquid में pass नहीं होती, only in solid. And P waves pass in solid, liquid and gaseous material. And S waves only pass travel through in solid material, not in the liquid material. And all these waves, P waves, S waves, are help to understand the structure of the interior part of the earth या interior of the earth. These waves are help to understand the structure of the interior of the earth. And here second is surface waves. Surface waves also called the long waves, L waves. इन्हें और क्या बोलते हैं? L waves. These are surface waves, also called the L waves. So what is here the L waves? Then here the inner part of the earth, all these P waves, S waves कहाँ पहुँच रही है? Near the crust. Then these waves have the reaction with the crust, and here the new waves are origin. जब ये क्या हो रहा है? वेव्स है, अर्थ से कांटेक्ट कर रही है, रॉक से कांटेक्ट कर रही है, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? न्यू टाइप ऑफ द वेव्स ओरिजिन हियर, एंड दीज वेव्स आर कॉल्ड एल वेव्स. दीज वेव्स आर कॉल्ड एल वेव्स. इसे क्या बोलते हैं हम? दीज वेव्स आर कॉल्ड एल वेव्स. एंड द एल वेव्स स्पीड इज अप्रोक्स 3 to 4 kilometer per second. 3 to 4 kilometer per second. Here the low speed of the L waves, but these L waves, surface waves, long waves also called, and these are the considered to be the most damaging waves. सबसे ज़्यादा जो नुकसान करने वाली है, डैमेज करने वाली है, ठीक है ना? Mostly damaged by the L waves. अंदर ही अंदर S and the P waves pass in interior part of the here the not, यहाँ से उथल पुथल हो रहा है, but here the not the major damage, ठीक है. But then here the L waves, then here the damage the surface here. All these here the physical events, physical buildings, all these are destroyed by the L waves. So these are called the damaged wave. These are called the most damaged waves. L waves are called the most damaged waves. Clear? So earthquake, vibration of the earth and the shaking of the earth. Here the focus, where the all these waves origin start from the focus, and the epicenter is firstly arrival these waves. This point is called the epicenter. And what is lithosphere? Here the 200 kilometer region from the crust to lower side. प्लस 2 जो अपर पार्ट है वहां से जो नीचे कितना 200 किलोमीटर वाला जो पार्ट उसे क्या बोल सकते हैं लिथोस्फीयर एंड ऑल दीज वेव्स आर रिकॉर्ड ऑन सिस्मोग्राफ earthquake waves can be divided in two parts body waves and the surface wave firstly body waves p waves and the s waves p waves behavior like the sound waves travel through the solid liquid and gaseous and the s wave only passing from the solid part not in liquid part and all these waves are helped to the know about the structure of the interior of the earth and L waves are have slow speed but L waves long waves या surface waves are most damaged waves